welcome to my channel. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me today. I am doing a pretty big commission piece. It's a Dutch pour. That is the consistency of my paints for a Dutch pour. It sinks immediately. This is the recipe that I use for my Dutch pours. So I have been actually kind of interchanging the golden GAC 800 with the golden color pouring medium. I think I had on there the GAC 800 is what I use, but I think on these colors it may have been the golden color pouring medium, but I have been using them interchangeably in my pouring medium recipe, so just so you know that. In this commission, the client asked for just a few colors, so black, gray, a buttery yellow, white, and a little bit of like a navy blue. So I made a few mistakes on this one because I have been doing so many pearl pours with the Dutch pour over top that it's kind of a different technique, and so I forgot how to do a traditional Dutch pour, or what I call a traditional Dutch pour. And so I, number one, did not lay down enough color originally. Incidentally, this is a Naples yellow light, which is gorgeous. It's so buttery. I am usually afraid of yellow, but this is such a great yellow. So if you're ever afraid to use it, definitely go with this one because it's so subtle and soft. And you see, I'm adding in the Prussian blue, but I'm trying to steer clear of that yellow a little bit because I did not want green in this painting at all. So here, that's the Amsterdam white I'm just putting over top. I kind of like to put that on top because it does create lacing. So okay, so the second mistake I made, and when I realized once I started to blow this out, was that I normally on a Dutch pour, like a traditional Dutch pour like this, I like to put my base coat on each side of my colors, then push the base coat against the colors and then blow it out. And I forgot to do that on this part because, again, I haven't done a Dutch pour in a while. So my paints weren't really moving that much, so I decided that I would try again. So you'll see in a second I do add more paint to the canvas and then re-blow it out with the base coat pressed against the sides. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you like this one. After I blow this one out, I really fiddle with it a lot. And it's because I was not looking for like a traditional like petally Dutch pour like so many people do. I was looking for more like wisps that were like little tendrils that were coming off of the Dutch pour. So that is why you see me blowing and fiddling with it so much, but I'm so glad I did because I think it really turned out cool. I love the way this one looks. It's definitely different, and I really like it. So you guys can let me know what you guys think of it in the comments, but the more I have sat with this one, the more it has really grown on me. And so just so you know too, when it's dry, that Naples yellow is still very buttery. In the pictures in the beginning and at the end, for some reason the video editor that I use, it kind of changes the colors of my paintings a little bit, I've noticed lately. So, and I'm not really sure why it does that. Maybe someone out there might know. I don't know why it is, but it does change it. But this does really dry very true to what it looks like when I finish it. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna let you watch. If you please have any questions, let me know. Put it in the comments or email me or hit me up on social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. You can go check me out over there. I do have a Patreon account you can check out. Head on over to my dad's channel, DJ Fluid Arts. I think by now you will have seen some of his new stuff that he is painting on glass, which is so beautifully stunning in person, you guys. So check that out. And then also, if you like what you see, please like, share with you others on social media. That really does do a lot for my channel. When you do share, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I put out a new video. I try to do at least 1 to 2 per week. As of late, I have been traveling a little bit. My husband and I went to Glacier National Park over the last few weeks, so that was amazing and beautiful, but I'm home now and no plans of really going anywhere for a while, so I am going to be doing a lot of painting. I got a lot of commissions and paintings to catch up on, so please stay tuned for all of those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.